Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable LinkedIn who viewed your profile alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable LinkedIn's who viewed your profile alerts, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the homepage. On your profile page, locate the Me icon on the top right corner. Click on the Me icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy section, you will see a list of options on the left side of the screen. Click on Visibility to access your visibility settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Profile Viewing Options. Here, you can choose how your profile appears when you view others' profiles. Select the option that best fits your preference, such as Anonymous LinkedIn Member. To adjust who can see your profile view, toggle this setting to limit the visibility of people who view your profile. Return to the main Settings and Privacy page by clicking on the back arrow at the top. Next, look for the Notifications section in the left-hand menu. Click on Notifications and scroll down to find the Profile Views notification option. Toggle off the alerts for profile views to stop receiving notifications. Once you've made these changes, your settings will be automatically saved. You can now close the settings page. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled LinkedIn's who viewed your profile alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.